Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here once again. It's a beautiful day here in Jacksonville, Florida, but it always is. The weather is starting to change a little bit, and that's a good thing. I like it just a little bit colder. And so it's that time of the year, and so it's time for a Thanksgiving video. And I figure I'd do one this year a little different than last year. Last year I did a video on how to prepare for Thanksgiving when you have family coming and that type of thing. This year I am doing this video, which is a lot different. This is living alone and having Thanksgiving with, it's that time. So when you have grown children and you are at my age, most of the time it's an empty nest type of situation. But at holidays, you tend to gravitate back together. But my children are at a very funny age where they are just establishing family, and they are still, and another one is still searching for that career. And so I have 3 adult children. One will be having her first, that's my only daughter. She'll be having her first Thanksgiving with her boyfriend and his family. And so that's very important. And then the middle one, my oldest son is going to be in Atlanta with his friends. And then the baby, I don't know why I keep calling him baby, but I guess he always will be. And he is going to be gigging because he's the trumpet player. So no one will be here. So I'll be having Thanksgiving alone. Well, at least I thought so. So I told my aide, I told her that, her and my nurse that, I was going to be alone for Thanksgiving. So I'm not going to cook because it really would be a waste of money. Now, they do have the little small turkey, which is the breast meat. You can get that, but it's just not the same. You need to do a whole turkey. It's just the way it is. And so what I'm going to do, I've been invited to go to my nurse's house. So I won't record that. That'll be a private situation. But I just wanted to do a video for all of those who are at this age and at Thanksgiving, and you have children that are empty nesters, and you will be spending this holiday season alone for Thanksgiving. It's okay. I've done it before. I've always had a tradition where we, watch sports, we eat, we cook, we make, we bake, and it's a whole situation. And I am very stuck on trying to get all 3 of my children together. It's just the way it's always been. And that's always at Thanksgiving. And this one just won't pull together. Now, I want to make sure people understand that I'm alone, but I'm not lonely. That I'm going to be by myself, but I am not sad. I am happy that I have another day. I'm happy that my children are happy. I'm also happy, thankful, and grateful that I have a relationship with my children, because there are so many people who have children, adult children, and they have no relationship with them. So again, I'm blessed, I'm thankful for all of the above. So I'm doing this video because I don't want you to be sad if you have to spend Thanksgiving alone. You know, that doesn't mean you're lonely if you're spending it alone. But these are the things that I do, because this won't be the first Thanksgiving that I'll be by myself. I have been on holidays by myself, and more than likely at Christmas time I won't have them all at one time. That's what I'm learning. Thanksgiving is usually I can get them all three together with some planning, and that's what I did this year. I tried to plan it, and at the last minute things fell apart, because life is what it is. If you got a job lined up, like I told my son, if you got a job lined up, it's gonna pay you, go to the gig, okay? Because he trying to make it. He trying to make a name for himself. He's trying to be successful, and he's early 20s, and that is the way it is. And I have no problem with that. And the oldest one just want to hang out with his friends. That's just the way it is. He's never really been, you know, I might get a text from him every couple of days or so, but he's always been self-sufficient and always on the go. I see him when I see him, okay? And my daughter is usually the one that's always here. But again, she's moving home. She's in a serious relationship, and it's time to meet the parents. So I can't come in between that. That's a very important step. I have 3 adult children. None of them are married. I have no grandchildren. Okay. I just wanted to throw that out there. Because you know, at my age, most people got grandchildren. And one of my sisters is a great grandmother. So it's eventually it'll happen. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm ready for it. So that is what I'm going to do with my Thanksgiving. But we're going to stop for a minute and be grateful for all the things that we can be. We're thankful for this apartment. We're thankful for family, with friends, our relationship with God, with our church, that we have food to eat. It's so many things to be thankful and grateful for more than just one day on Thanksgiving. But it's a continuous thing. This is November, so let's be thankful every single day. This video is a reminder that if you are a parent of an empty nester, that sometimes your Thanksgivings will be alone. That is okay. This video is simply to tell you that you can do other things. Now, it's a whole bunch of places that you can go to. If you decide to go out to eat, that's a good thing to do. But I'm going to spend some time with my nurse and my aide. And they mean a lot to me. They take great care of me. And that is a blessing. So I am thankful and grateful for the VA. Yes, I am thankful and grateful for the VA, my insurance, and the fact that I have a home health aide, that I have a nurse that comes and takes care of me in my home. Some people cannot get that. Some people, insurance does not cover that. So the blessing here is twofold. One, that I'm in a position to receive all this love and care because of everything that is in place. And two, that I have the love and support of all of my children who love and care for me. And because I feel that love, I know that I'm cared for. Okay? So don't be sad if your children cannot come with you for Thanksgiving this year. But if you feel in your heart that they love and care for you, that is everything. That's more than any amount of money in the world. Okay? So at this time, we're going to breathe in and breathe out and get ready for our Thanksgiving. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, we are so thankful. Thank you, Father God. We thank you, Father, for waking us up this morning. Now, wherever you headed today, to work, to school, maybe you're going to Olive Garden. I love Olive Garden. Be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face. And remember that there is always somebody worse off than you. So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.